and welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food Channel. Today is Sunday and I'm home alone with my little Henry. Henry, say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey. So Mr. Dewey has gone to church with Jaden and Cameron has gone to his football match. So I'm just left with my little boy Henry. Yeah. So this video is just about spending some time with the two of us. We need to go shopping for our today's cooking. So I still don't know what I'm going to cook, but I have in mind spring rolls because I haven't had that in a long time. Henry,
Hi.
what do you think? Do you think we should have some spring rolls?
Hi.
Yeah? Yeah? So this is what we are going to do. So yeah. So I hope you're happy to spend a little time with us today. And let's get started. Yeah? Okay? So tell them you'll see them a bit later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Back. Come here. Put your back on. Dear friends, I struggled a lot just to make him wear his socks and his shoes. He was being King Henry as usual, but I finally managed to get him wear his shoes and socks. Okay friends, so we are almost ready to go to our food shopping, and this is very important for me, my backpack, because I'm gonna push the pushchair and I need space for my my shopping. So this is very important for me when I'm going shopping alone with Henry. Huh? Okay, so let's get going. So friends, the shoes and socks was just one thing, but the jacket is another thing. He did not want to wear this jacket, so I ended up asking him the one he wants to wear. You're not making any effort. Back. Come here. Come here. Henry.
What?
Come here. Oh, you don't want to wear this one? You want to wear the other one? Henry, look at me. I don't think he wants to wear this one. Henry. Hey, come here. Come here. Do you want to wear the other one? Okay, kofa jacket back on the back. Oh gosh. Okay, so he wanted to wear the lighter one and the one without a hoodie. I don't blame him. It was sunny outside. Kiss mommy? Kiss mommy? No?
No.
No?
No.
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 Okay. I think I'm gonna struggle today with this boy. Let's go. Enko. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Enko.
Okay.
Hey friends, so Henry and I are ready to go to shop. Huh? Henry, are you ready?
Hi.
Say yeah. So let's go, yeah?
Go.
Okay friends, so we are still at our doorstep and I just have to make sure I have everything, like my purse, my bag, my keys, my phone, just make sure I have everything. I also noticed that I had to top up my bus card, so this is what we are going to do now. And here we are at the bus stop waiting for our bus. So here, this is a quick shopping at a shop called Iceland to buy my tuna sticks. And this here is my favorite African food shop where I buy all my African stuff. I'm here because I'm going to buy my beans for my spring rolls, and you'll see the type of beans I am going to buy. So this will take us home, and now let's start our recipe. Okay, dear friends, so this is my fantastic and tasty Ghana style spring rolls with beans and tuna. You are going to fall in love with this. I tell you, believe me, you. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and let's get started. So dear friends, I decided to use black eyed beans in can, and it is in salt water. I have never used this one before. So when you open the can, this is how it looks like, a very bright beans. So what I do is that I remove the salted water, pour the beans in my pan, and then add a bit of fresh water and let it cook for about 15 minutes. It doesn't need long cooking. It is very quick. So this is it now. I also need one chopped onion and 1 can of tuna in sunflower oil. I am going to use the oil, so please do not throw yours away. I have got here 1 beaten egg and I'm going to seal my spring rolls with it. And I've got here a bit more vegetable oil. For my spices, I have got 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of hot curry powder, half a teaspoon of garlic granules, 1 tablespoon of ground pepper, and half a tablespoon of onion powder. And I've got here my spring roll sheet or pastry that I got from my Chinese shop. Okay, so I'm now going to use the oil that comes with the tuna steak, and then I'm going to add my own oil. Be careful, it is very, very hot. It splashes. And then I'm going to add 1 chopped onion, stir it and leave it to saute for about 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add my tuna steaks. So this is just 1 can. I'm going to stir it and leave it to cook for about 2 minutes on a lower heat. And then I'm going to add my beans. So this is the 2 cans of beans I showed you. Stir it and leave it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on the lowest heat. Add your spices. Make sure you stir it very well and leave it on for another 2 minutes on the lowest heat possible and keep it aside. Now we are going to prepare our spring rolls. So what I'm doing here is that I'm separating the sheets just to make them ready. So there are also different ways to make spring rolls on the way to roll it. Okay, so you can turn it towards you like a triangle and then add 1 tablespoon of filling, not in the middle, just before the middle. Fold it towards you, stretch it, and then fold it twice. Next, fold the sides one by one. And then add a bit of egg wash. Next, fold it completely until the spring roll is sealed like this. So the second method is like this. Leave it as you see it and then add a bit of egg wash on every side except the one in front of you. Then again add 1 tablespoon of spring roll filling, then fold both sides on top of each one and then roll it once, twice, 3 times. Add some egg wash and finish rolling it. And this is your spring roll. I prefer the second method because in my opinion I think it holds better, but you can use the one you like. It is both good. So my spring rolls are ready and I'm going to heat up my oil. When the oil is hot, deep fry the spring roll. Make sure you do not overcrowd it, okay? If not, it will soak the oil. Let it fry until it is golden brown. Make sure you turn them over from time to time. Now my spring rolls are ready and I'm going to let it cool down on kitchen paper. And this is it, guys. These are my wonderful spring rolls. I'm going to show you a close-up and here I'm going to open it and show you how it looks like inside. It is just amazing. So you really need to try it. You are going to love it. This is serious. It is not a joke. I really enjoyed myself. So this is it, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you're going to try it. Leave me comments, thumbs up, share my videos, and I'll see you in another video. I think Henry and I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.